In railway operations, whether day or night, invisible risks are always present. At high train speeds, even distant hazards can leave no time to react. From people at the platform edge, obstacles in curved sections, distant intruding objects, to track structure changes, all can be detected in advance. Lightekton long-range LiDAR operates in darkness and harsh environments. It reconstructs the environment ahead with millimeter-level accuracy. It enables forward detection up to 1 kilometer, unaffected by lighting weather or curved platforms. It maintains stable perception, giving trains long-range forward vision, turning safety from passive reaction into proactive prevention.